Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change?
Hey beauties, welcome back to KhanyisileNyathi Beauty. And I've picked up that a lot of you guys were asking me to do another beginner friendly tutorial, and this is definitely the one. Very easy to do makeup look, ideally for a day out, lunch vibes, or even a day out event. This is definitely the look, even though I'm shooting it at night guys, but that's whatever. And Emi, I saw your previous comment on my video. Don't worry girl, I got you. And same to everyone else, if there's a specific look that you'd like me to touch on for you guys, don't forget to leave it on the comments below. Please. I'm here to help you guys more than anything, so don't be afraid to leave any help that you need with makeup on my comments. So today's look will be the Halo eye makeup tutorial. I'm very excited to share this look with you guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe down below. So without further ado, let's get into it. So firstly, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Creamy Beige, just as an eye base. Then set my concealer with my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the color Light.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuss.
And then I'm going to use my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the color Dark, just as a transition color. Then go in with my MAC eyeshadow in the shade Rule in my inner corner and my outer corner, as well as my crease.
You never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You need
And then I'm going to go in with my MAC powder blush in the color Raisin, and I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow on my outer corner and inner corner, as well as my crease. And guys, you can use any other eyeshadow that looks red for this step. Then with my MAC Sketch eyeshadow, I'm going to use it in the same places again, my crease, my outer corner, as well as my inner corner.
Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine.
And then now with my MAC Carbon eyeshadow, I'm going to go over again in the same places, my inner corner, outer corner, and my crease as well. And then back to my LA Girl concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm just going to put it in the middle of my eye to create that halo effect. And here I'm going to use my sponge, just dabbing it to carefully blend it in with my eyeshadows. And now with my MAC eyeshadow in the color Sketch, back again into the same areas, inner corner, crease, and outer corner. And then I'm going to be using my MAC eyeshadow in the color Rule as well, just to have it blend in with the concealer as well. And now with my LA Girl Nude palette, I'm going to be using the gold shade just to get into the middle of my eye. And now with my Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner in the color Black, I'm just going to give myself a wing liner. And guys, you don't really have to do this part. You can just give yourself a normal liner, not really wing it, but I just love to wing it.
Do me a favor, pick me up later. Don't worry about no paper, cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this. My life can get crazy, I deal with shit on the daily.
Back to knifing up that wing liner girl, I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Creamy Beige to knife out my wing liner.
I need you to give me your time.
And here I'll be going in with my MAC eye pencil in the color Fascinating on my waterline. My MAC 3D Blacklash Mascara just to prepare to put on my lashes. Yes guys, lashes applied off camera. And now I'm going to be applying my Yardley London Stayfast foundation in the color Caramel Fudge just on my face and a little bit on my neck as well.
I need you to respect it. Sometimes it's shaking me stressing.
To powder over, I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in the color Dark. To highlight, I'm going to be using my LA Girl concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and then to contour, I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette using the NW55 shade.
I need you to give me your time.
And now I'm going to be applying the very same colors that I used on my eyelid just below my lash line. And here I will just apply my MAC 3D Blacklash Mascara on my lower lashes. And now back to my LA Girl Nude palette. I'm starting to like highlighting my cheeks, guys. I think it looks so bomb. And I'm going to be using it to highlight as well on my nose, the tip of my lip, as well as my chin.
I can't say I'd give my all, but tonight.
And now I'm going to be using my MAC lip pencil in the shade Cough just to line my lips. Well guys, I know this is weird, but to give my lips an ombre effect, I'm just going to go over them with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. And your girl's favorite lip gloss, Vaseline. And now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Banana Yellow powder just to bake my face.
Say my name, kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say baby I love you if you ain't running game.
And now we'll go over my face once again using my MAC Mineralize Skin Powder in the shade Dark.
No one is around you, kinda shady, no one is around you, calling me baby, no one is around. Say my name, no one is around you, no one is around. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, better say my name, better say my name, better say my name, better say my name. Try to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I never say that I do so many things. I'm slowing down just the way it seems. Nobody acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me. Back from me.
guys for tuning in. I wish you guys could see this look in person. It looks so beautiful. Like, I think I messed up by doing it during the night, guys. But it looks amazing. Anyways, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please, 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 guys, don't just watch my videos. Please subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe, and yeah, guys, I'll see you next time.
No one is around.